Hi students, today we are going to see about algebra from chapter 3. Okay, today's topic is polynomial. Before going into the topic, do you know who is father of algebra? Father of algebra is Diophantus. Is the name of the author, and he has written series of books called as Arithmetica. Book name is books actually, okay, Arithmetica. So in that book you can see how to solve the algebraic expressions. Okay, solving algebraic expressions. He has written the book. Okay, so we are going to see about polynomials. Polynomial means it is nothing but the arithmetic expression with constants, variables, and the basic fundamental operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and non-negative integer exponent. Okay, so a polynomial is an arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression with what it has? Constants, variables, basic operations. What are the four basic operations? What are the four basic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Right. And you have a non-negative integer exponent. Okay. So in a polynomial, okay, there will be an arithmetic expression which has a constant, variable and operations involving these operators and a non-negative integer exponent. Okay, we'll see an example. Okay, so it is denoted by p of x, which is equal to some any expression you can write. For example, 4x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so here this is the polynomial. Okay, so polynomial is denoted by p of x, and many other things are there. You can f of x also you can use, or you can use g of x, and like that many things are there. Okay, you can denote it using this, and this is the polynomial, actual polynomial expression. Okay, so here this x is the variable. Okay, and here also you have y, which is again a variable. So you have the, and I will give another constant 4. Okay, so this is the constant. Okay, fixed value. Okay, it does not change, it is fixed value. And variable is the value changes. Okay, for example, if you put x equal to 1 or x equal to 2, the value changes, hence it is called as variable. So for example, 4 instead of x, if you put 1, the value will become 1 square. 4 into 1, it is 1. Okay, and if you put 4 instead of x, if you put 2, the value will be 2 square, which is nothing but 2 square is 4 and 4 into 4 is 16. So the value changes, hence it is called as variable, varying values. Okay, and the non-negative integer exponent is this value. Okay, it should be always a non-negative integer exponent. That's all. That's all with the polynomial we have seen. Okay. You have another thing called coefficient. Coefficient. So for example, in P of x, 4x square plus 2x. Then the value near the x variable is called as the coefficient of x. Okay. So here, if the expression is the exponent power is here is 2. Okay. And the coefficient value is 4. And here the coefficient of, for example, coefficient of x square, it is 4. Right, clear? Next, coefficient of x, that is the value near x. What is that? 2. So this is the coefficient values. Okay, so you have activities in your textbook. You can do that. You can find the expression for each and every expression. You can find out the variables. Okay, variables, coefficient and constant. Okay. For example, I will write you the expression. X plus 7 is the expression. So what is the value of the variables? What are the variables here? X is the variable. Okay. And what is the coefficient? What is the coefficient of x? What is near the x? If nothing is there, it is called as 1. Okay. So it is 1 is the coefficient. What is the constant term here? It is 7. Okay. So this is how you have to find the variables, coefficient and constant for an expression. Okay. Thank you, students.